are you? Good evening to you, Han. And I promise that me and Rocky are going to make a video for you, right? By the way, we just got home from cell group, and after cell group, I went to mom to get Rocky home, bring him home, and now he's here, Han. And you know that I bring him to his vet this afternoon, right, for his haircut. And I want to show you the result, Han. and and please don't get upset on me, honey, because of his hair, okay? This just for the meantime, Han. His hair will grow again after 2 months. They say after 2 months. But now I want him to show to you, honey. And hold on a minute. Wait. Oh wow. I think mommy needs haircut too, Han, right? Okay, honey. This is Rocky. Okay. Oh, that's him, Han. That's him. Hello, Daddy. Hello, Daddy. Look at me. Look at me, Daddy. Okay. See him, Han? Ooh. No more long hair, honey. No more long hair. Okay, I'll put him here. And okay, mommy and Rocky are here, baby. Hello, Daddy. Hello, Daddy. Hello, Daddy. Hello, Daddy. Hello. Honey, as you can see, this is a big house, but today and until Sunday evening, it's only me and Rocky here in this house. See how big it is, Han? See how big it is? Yes. And it's only Rocky and me today, honey. And I want to show you what I bought in a supermarket, honey. Oishi Regis, Han. One of my favorite cracklings, actually. These are cracklings, actually. One of my favorite Regis. Nacho. These are cheap. Okay. I'm sure you like this too, right? You like this too? Of course. My Bible. Bring my Bible because I went to cell group. And sugar, honey. Yeah, sugar. Because I will drink coffee later, Han. What else? Gracie's Muncher. Food for mommy. No more for Rocky, baby. No more for Rocky. And hopia. Honey, this is hopia. This is one of the famous bread here in Philippines. This is Mongo Hopia, Han. It's delicious. It's delicious. So that's it, honey. That's it. And glad and happy to make another video for you, honey. And I thank God to all the blessings that He has given you. And thanks for sharing your blessings to me, honey. And I know that not just me, but to all your friends. And it's okay to me. I know you're a giver person. You're a kind person, Han. I know how good your heart is. And I love you. And I told you that I have a huge trust in you, honey. And I am forever thankful to God because of you for giving me such a wonderful partner, such a wonderful friend and honey. And it's such a blessing from the Lord, Han. And God bless you. God bless you. Until next time, baby. Thank you. Kaluguranda ka. Mahal kita. I love you. Bye, Han. Bye. Bye, Daddy. Bye-bye, Daddy. Bye-bye, Daddy. We love you, Mommy, and I love you. Bye-bye, Daddy. Bye, baby. Bye. God bless you. I love you.